Surviving Corona 2020, right? Thriving, right?
Thriving
Not surviving.
for COVID-19.
What's going on, everybody? It's the one and only holistic motivator alongside the one and only Dr.Love. How you doing? So, as you know, lately everybody and their mama and their cousins are talking about the coronavirus. But everybody is in the spirit of fear rather than the spirit of action.
Even Cardi B.
Even Cardi B got a new song out. Check it out. But what do you need to do right now to defend your body and your health? So, Dr. Love, what would be your number one recommendation for people watching right now who are fearful, doubtful, uncertain about the future?
Okay, so number one, we have to realize that we can't control anything outside of us. The only thing we have total control of is our bodies. So number one, build your own immune system. Now, the spleen is responsible for the immune system. Number one, it controls the lymphatic system. Number two, it controls digestion. And number three, it builds white blood cells. Now, Western medicine has no clue that the Chinese spleen has these three functions. So, when you come to me as a patient or you come to one of my Qigong classes, I'm going to teach you how to build your digestive system. I'm going to teach you how to build your lymphatic system. And number three, I'm going to teach you how to manufacture digestive enzymes by eating the right foods. So that's how we start.
All right, and you got it. You heard that one. So, Dr. Love, you're going to be teaching people over the next few weeks exactly what they should be doing to build their immune system, right?
Exactly.
So tell us, how do we find more about that that's coming along? Oh, my goodness.
If you go to lovechinesemedicine.com, you'll see a schedule of, we're going to post every single day. So starting Monday, we're going to have Facebook Live classes for Qigong, and I'm going to drop some nuggets in the Qigong class. Every Sunday morning, we're going to do a 1-hour class with 15 minutes of Q&A at the end. So we're going to give you the links to how you can register for the online class on Sunday mornings. And then on a daily, we're going to just do the Qigong class. So go to lovechinesemedicine.com, go to registration, and then that will take you to our membership site.
All right, thank you so much, Dr. Love, for your time. I'm looking forward to surviving Corona 2020, right? Thriving, right?
Thriving.
Not surviving.
For COVID-19.
COVID-19. Got that wrong. Thank you so much.
All right.
All right. Make the rest of your life the best of your life. Peace.